Hello guys. I cannot talk. I'm gonna showcase the new system I've been working on. That just caused a lot of pain for me, but yeah, it works. Hopefully. So I've been working on this detection system, uh, and I love it because this is a tier one gem. It looks tier one, but no, it's tier two. But it's tier two. It's tier two, okay? It's tier two. It's tier two everything. Let me explain. So, in Real Bliss, the way to detect gems is by, let me go into some stuff. So, if I go to player data, go inside my data. If I go inside my inventory, and this is a gem from Real Bliss, right? And let me ignore that. Okay, that's the wrong world. I think this is the correct world. So, if we go inside here, yeah, this is the correct one. Yeah, inside the shulker box, G22 items. There's this one. Yeah, I do not give two shits. This one's kind of old, so it looks like that. But yeah, this is the way that Bliss detects gems. So it looks into your gem type. God, this is old. It's supposed to be gem type, not shard type. I studied the Bliss gems for way too long to know that, but whatever. So gem ID, right? That's the ID of your gem, right? Um, which is why each bliss gem. So like if you go inside Real Bliss and you get two gems, they both have different cooldowns, even though if they're the same gem, like two strength gems, same tier, same energy, they have different cooldowns because they have a different ID. And there's a gem tier, um, which is the way that I was able to get um a literal strength gem, tier one, to act like as a tier two. I just went into the code and changed. Just went into the NBT and just changed that. And the gem type, self-explanatory. No job, self-explanatory. Click and remove. I'm pretty sure just allows you to like, if it's zero, then you can put it inside a chest. If it's one, then I'm pretty sure you can't put it in chests. Enchantments. That's something else. So this is the thing that I was trying to get into. Because of the name public bucket values, I thought you can only use it with Java. But that's not true at all. That's not true at all. Um, I went through so much researching, and the research didn't even work. So I asked, like, fucking AI, and it worked. I don't know why. So apparently, the semicolon basically means to go inside this folder. This is a folder, and by the way, this is a folder. Right, inside this folder, this means go inside this folder, and then boom, I have access to it. I didn't even know that. But if you don't know what this is, it's like the NBT. It's called NBT. NBT contains information about your item or a player. Uh, like enchantments, that's an NBT. Name, lore, and this is inside the gem of it, and this is inside the NBT of it. Bliss gem. I wanted to use this because I was so frustrated. My bliss gems are not working real bliss. So yeah, I had to do it. I'm sorry. I had to do it. Now real bliss gem. So you see this pristine gem, it works. It gets detected. Like it works. Like because I changed the code to use. So he lets you go to the on right click. Okay, if we go over here, which is the chat strength, it checks if it doesn't check for the name, just by it works. So yeah, this it checks if it's strength and it checks the tier. Um, so if this is oh my god, what have I done? So if the tier on this thing is 2, then it's gonna be detected as a tier 2 gem. Even though it's a prismarine shard, and even though it's an amethyst shard, which is kind of funny. Yeah. The cooldowns, just ignore this. Basically, this is the IDs. Works just fine. Here, if it's 1, then yeah. Let me go do that. These are the same item. These look like the same item, but this is tier 1. This is tier 2. The reason why I decided to make this tier 1 goofy thing is because in Real Bliss one time I just upgraded my gem and I got a tier 1 gem. Like I literally got a tier 1 gem, and when I equipped it, it had tier 2 powers. The lore was tier 2. The only difference is that it was still an amethyst shard. It wasn't a prismarine shard. So I just decided to just make this stupid thing, and it works somehow. I don't know. It just works. It just does. So yeah. I revamped a lot of stuff. I revamped the energy system, but that's not done yet. It's still very buggy because it's not done. It's pretty obvious. Please just don't. If I release a new version, please tell me about the bugs. Please tell me the bugs, or it's gonna become chaotic, very chaotic. Yeah. I don't know why. I just wanted to add this extra just teeny tiny detail. Also, yeah, my older versions of the remake used the same thing, but like instead it used used BlissSkriptV3 gem identifier instead of how Real Bliss does it. So yeah, I have this world that basically compares between that has a Real Bliss gem and my remake one. So if I go to my inventory, yep, this is the exact one. These are both gems. I forgot which one is a Real Bliss gem, which one is not a Real Bliss gem. I absolutely forgot. Like, you cannot tell a difference between the gem ID. That's different. That's just obvious. You're gonna get a different gem ID. Yeah, it's the same thing. Display, lore, 18 lines. It's exactly the same as well. No difference. Go here. Same thing. Zero difference. Yeah, I've been working on this a lot. Not this, but the remake a lot. I did not know this remake would get this good. Honestly, when this is done, this is not a remake. It's a port. It's not an official port, but like it's a port of the Bliss plugin to script, literally. Oh my god, it's a port. It's literally gonna be a port. Like I am so excited. Like even me, like the fucking developer is excited to fucking release this. I'm showing the progress so far. So yeah, bye.